Lily, are you ready to catch Hunter? Here he comes. Catch him, catch him. You got him. Yay. Good job. Whoa. Big hug. Come back here, Hunter. Get ready to walk back to Lily. I'm going to scoot back. We can show how far Hunter's learning to walk, right? Hunter, turn around. I need a tripod, huh? Lily, put your hands out to catch Hunter. Here he comes. Oh, he fell. Come here. Oh, you gave him a kiss?
Yeah.
Thank you. Say Hunter. Here he comes. Aww. Thank you for your help, Lily. Oh, is there something on the floor? Did Wolf put something on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes. Lily, you gotta catch him. Aww. Such good sister.
Mama.
You ready to catch him again? Lily, do you love Hunter? Oh, you gotta go over there and catch him. Oh, no, right here. Oh, brotherly, sisterly love. Say bye. Say bye. There's Hunter. Do you see him on the video? Oh.